All right, 9:40 p.m. on a Wednesday night, October 30th. The reason we're doing this little one is to show how they continue to keep Southern California and LA dry despite all this rain available to put out these fires. That's Simi Valley, and of course they haven't stopped this one. This one's still going on. So what you noticed today was right here in the morning. This is from the morning. There was a stretch coming in of moisture from here, and they kept it flat. They did a few chemtrails and just a little bit. As you can see, that's the north, so not much, not a nothing at all in the east coast. I mean, east horizon, nothing. But looking at the west, when I was downtown, you did see the chemtrails, and in the south even a little bit. By the way, that's a 5G right next to someone's balcony. They've got 5G. How convenient. Good for your brain. So you can just see this is Southern California. They're putting high pressure, satellite high pressure, the occluded front, perfect position right there, and step like manipulation right here. They're not letting any, look at that, it's barreling through and just hits this high pressure perfectly to be misdirected up here and leaving us totally dry. As you can see at 12 o'clock, the Rothschild's sphygmomanometer has us at 6% humidity, perfect for a nice damaging fire. Make someone some money. You can see the jet streams all over the place here. Just comes in, comes up. Got a total turn that you don't see much of the straight lines, but this would be an example of it. And later in the day, you can still see, there's that high pressure preventing any moisture from this system that came from here earlier, and that will equal more fire and zero moisture to put out the fires. So I wanted everyone to see why there is absolutely no rain and more fires in LA despite not using any chemtrails. This is all satellite manipulation, and as a result, everybody all over the U.S. outside of California will get rain or snow or some. Right now, with all this barreling through, high pressure on top of low, you're getting all these winds, and those horses have to deal with the blessed fires until someone finally cashes in on this. And that's what I'll leave it at. Just a quick view of what's going on and why there will not be any rain at all anytime here. Look at that, it's perfect. They know how to keep the line straight right at the border. Just watch that. Watch how that works, man. Nothing's allowed to come up here. That's satellite manipulation with radar. I mean, microwave and laser.